What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deals video, and today is a DeWAukee day. Yes, I said DeWAukee. Matter of fact, speaking of DeWAukee, you should check out some of my DeWAukee t-shirts. I got hoodies and sweatshirts as well. Got them in black and red lettering, and also yellow and red lettering. So let's get back to the deals, though. DeWALT in Milwaukee showing up today, really especially DeWALT. I got something real special for you once we get to Home Depot right here. But let's get on and start here with Acme Tools. We have this DeWALT 12-volt Extreme Impact Driver and Drill Kit. Comes with two 2-amp-hour batteries, a charger, and a bag, and obviously the two tools. Keep in mind these are 12-volt tools. It's the Extreme bundle, and it's $149. Normally $199. You'll find that $199 at Lowe's. I will say during the holidays, these tend to go be $199 with a free gift, with a free tool. I can never really find a free tool that I would choose. Maybe the impact wrench, but it's no modes on it. So, wait, it's no modes on one of these. I'm not even going to give me the line. One of them things don't have modes. I think it's the wrench. But anyway, you also have your Rakuten over here at Acme Tools, of course, so don't forget about that. 2% cash back, and you also have some coupons, so check those out if you're going to be buying Metabo HPT, and things of that nature. And if you're new to Rakuten, get a $30 bonus cash back using the link in the description to sign up. Moving on, Skill is also having a 15% off flash sale for the next 48 hours. So check that out. I like Skill's batteries. I love them because all of them, they're 12 volt, 20 volt, all have USB ports on them, and they can charge your devices while still being in use in a power tool. So like when the power goes out, this is what I go grab. I'll put the flashlight on there, and they have pretty good flashlights too. Put the flashlight on there, and then I'll have the flashlight on while it's charging my devices. So I do like Skill for that, and then they're also very, very reasonably priced. Moving on over to CPO outlets. Oh, that is what it says, outlets. That's weird. CPO outlets makes more sense. But we have this DeWAlt again with the 12-volt Extreme hammer drill kit. It's weird because all their kits, all the Extreme kits come with two batteries, whether it comes with one or two tools. But you get two 2-amp-hour batteries again to charge the bag, tool, and this is $128.99. And we also have Rakuten over here. Not Rakuten, excuse me, but Retail Me Not at 1% cash back. Then we also have this Makita impact driver, $119.99. These are all pretty decent deals. Then you have this Metabo 2000 lumen work light. I didn't do the video on this, have I? Okay, so I have this. I got a bunch of them because I ordered one from Lowe's and they sent me 4. Boy, I'm lucky. Anyway, they sent me 4 of them, so I obviously returned the 1. Kept the 3 for the free ski. But yeah, these are pretty good, man. I'm going to make a video comparing it to the Milwaukee. Again, the light is more of a hyper white, which I don't like. It's not that natural golden sunlight like Milwaukee. So there is that. But it does have a hook. Putting a battery in is annoying because you got to like flip this thing around. Basically, I'm being pretty hard on it, but it's a good light. But I'll make a video on it. But it's $84.99. I think at Lowe's it's over $100 everywhere else. So there you have that. Moving on to Lowe's, we have a pretty good DeWAlt deal, and this is a daily deal, so don't think about this too long. So you have a compact impact wrench, and you have your mid-torque impact wrench as well. This is not the, I know DeWAlt. There's a lot of y'all that can keep up with the numbers. I struggle, but this is not the DCF 891. The DCF 891 is the heavy, hard-hitting 800 foot-pound mid-torque. This is the DCF 894, which you think would be better because it has a higher number, but no. The DCF 894 produces 330 foot-pounds of fastener and 600 foot-pounds of breakaway, which is basically like an industry standard for mid-torques. And generally, though, if you wanted to go get the DCF 891, the one that produces 800, that's actually on sale right now for $249. So for an extra $50, you gotta kind of think about that. You get this fast charger, a 5-amp-hour battery, and an extra compact impact wrench. No, it's not as powerful. But if you had a high torque already, I don't know. This is an interesting deal because obviously we want the most powerful this in the smallest form factor, especially when you're working on cars and stuff, because room can be and space could be limited. But I don't know, man. If you dealing with things and you always have space, I don't know. This might be a pretty good deal. So I wanted to show you guys that. And also, don't forget your Rakuten with Lowe's. Get 2% cash back and, of course, a $30 bonus when you sign up using the link in the description. Now, on to the most amazing deal. This is a good deal, but I got a real good one for y'all. We have this DeWALT. I'm going to zoom in. This DeWALT atomic impact driver. You see the price. With a power stack battery, charger in the bag, $126.88. $126.88. So here's what we doing. What we do, you come here to the main listing, right? It's on sale for $219 right now. But it's a BOGO. So you get this, and the free gift is a whole nother power stack starter kit for $159. Add them both to the cart, and you saw what it breaks down to be. This power stack kit is $90-something, and this thing breaks down to be $120-something. I'm tempted to get it myself, but I just have too many impact drivers, more than I can even use. But I really do like this for its really, really small form factor, and that's kind of enticed me a little bit. But anyway, so you have that right there. That's a fantastic deal. Moving on, but before we move on, I just want to say if you get any value from this video, you love that DeWalt deal, consider leaving me a like, a comment, and subscribing. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any other deals in the future. Moving on, Home Depot has a special buy of the day. I'm going to try to just kind of zoom through this because it's a lot of bad deals. I didn't see a lot of good ones. I brought up all the ones that I thought were really good, but it's a lot of nonsense. So, I'm not going to waste your time. Go through this at your own leisure, but these not good deals. But this one is okay. This is your hammer drill impact driver with your two XC 5.0 batteries. This normal kit, but it also comes with an extra battery. And generally, this is what they talking about, $568? Well, with the extra battery, maybe. It's normally $399 for this kit, sans the battery. But right now it's $339. That's the cheapest I've ever seen this kit, honestly, at Home Depot. So $339, you get all that. Moving on, we do have this rigid circular saw. And the only reason I'm talking about this is because Torque Test channel just literally recently, within the last week, released a video comparing circular saws. And this rigid did perform really well. And it comes with I didn't even know this was a 6 amp hour battery. So two max output batteries, a 6 amp hour battery and a 4 amp hour battery, $249 for that kit. That's all right. It's all right. It's okay. It's decent. There's nothing to write home about, but Then you also have this high torque impact wrench. Same deal, 6 amp hour battery, 4 amp hour battery. Again, $249. That's better. That's a better deal than the circular. So I think that's also a good, deal. Again, nothing to write home about, but it is very good. I talked about this yesterday, and I told you guys yesterday that we've seen this deal for $299, but it was $379 yesterday. If you did buy it yesterday, what you do is just get them up on chat. Say, hey, I see it's $309 now. I just want to, get a price difference. They should refund you. They're giving you problems. Worst case scenario, you buy this and then return either one of them using the previous receipt. Now, I ended up doing that one time about almost 2 years ago. And what I bought was this. I bought this and it came with a free gift, and I accidentally chose the wrong free gift. I tried to cancel it, and it didn't look like the cancellation was going through, so I bought another one with the proper free gift, and they just sent me 4 of them. They sent me 4 of them with 2 free gifts. So obviously I returned the other 2, and I kept the 2, right? So anyway, just saying that could happen to you, because I know Home Depot and Lowe's and Acme Tools just been sending me extra everything the past couple weeks. And so maybe that luck might rub off on you. But this is $309 now, much better than $379, much better than the regular $399 for the bandsaw only. So there you have that as well. Then we have this DeWALT drill with two 1.5 amp hour, 1.3 amp hour batteries, excuse me, a charger in the bag, $89. You know, that's not terrible. It's a good drill, by the way. I mean, I have this thing. It's a good drill. I think I had this in like the spring. There was a sale. This was on a BOGO, and it came with an oscillating tool. And I think we all got this with an oscillating tool for like $60. I don't know if y'all remember that, how long y'all been rocking with me, but that was the thing. But this is not bad for $89. Moving on, we have this Surge Impact. Why does this look funny? This looks different, doesn't it? Is this the same Surge from like a year ago? Why do I feel like this is different looking? I don't know. This looks weird, man. I don't know. But anyway, you got this Milwaukee M18 Fuel Surge Impact Driver with a little boo-boo CP 2.0 battery. Don't use that battery with that thing. It's not going to give you all the beans that you want. It looks different to me, but whatever. Anyway, it's $139. That's a really good deal. Impact Driver itself is normally $159 or $169, so it's a good deal. And we have this M18 Hacksaw with the same poo-poo battery for $139. We all know that's a good deal there. Then we also have, this is final, the last deal. We have this high-speed ratchet with two batteries, two high-output batteries, a 2.5 amp hour battery and a 5 amp hour high-output battery with a charger for $229. And this thing is normally like $179 in itself. So for what, $50, you get these two excellent M12 batteries with a charger. Very good deal there. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful you guys. I will see you guys next time.